Hey guys, check this out. So I don't know if you can see, but off in the distance we got some mountains. And that's because I'm currently in the capital of Montenegro, running my business from Europe. So I wanted to kind of make this video to share with you guys a little bit about why I think this is a great space to be in. So no code and low code has been emerging over the past few years, and it's just been an awesome journey for me. And I'd love to give back to you guys. So I decided to create the Effycient Accelerator program. We're creating a bunch of educational content. We're working on some courses, white papers, all within the no code space. If you're excited and want a new opportunity to travel or just to switch your career and make more money, click the link below. Thanks.